Hello students, class 8, good morning. Today here I am to discuss with you chapter 13 Ahilya Bai. Okay, Ahilya Bai, a great Indian queen. Okay, so in this chapter there are so many great queens in India are born and famous. So you have to enlist them how many great Indian queen you know instead of Ahilya Bai. She born on 1725 in Chondi village, of Beach in Maharashtra. Maharashtra. Okay. She born on 1725 in Chondi village of Beach in Maharashtra. Okay. Her father name was her father's name was Mankaji Sindhi Patela the village. Okay. So her story is very interesting. Then you will listen all about the great Indian queen Ahilya Bai. Means how she became the queen, being a daughter of the village farmer Mankaji Sinde. Okay, so in this way you will see that she born in 1725 in the family of Mankaji Sinde in the village of Beed in Maharashtra. Okay, she born in Chondi village of Maharashtra. Once upon a time, when Ahilya Bai's great king of Holkar, king of Indore, was going somewhere else and he decided to stay in Chondi village. She saw in the way that there is a girl about 14 years or 8 years old only, serving in temple. He, means the king, became impressed. King impressed by the service of Ahilya Bai, and he decided to take him to his kingdom as a bride. So he married to his prince, to Ahilya Bai. After few years, she spent her life in the kingdom of or in the palace of King Holkar, who was Malhar Rao Malhar. Who was the king of Holkar? Malhar Rao Holkar. After the marriage of some years, she spent about 12 years with his son, and her husband Malhar Rao son killed in a battle. And but Malhar Rao, the father of his son, was very sad, and but he could not leave the hope and trained the Ahilya Bai as his son, not as daughter-in-law. He trained her in each field, in administration, in battle, and how to behave and handle the whole kingdom. After few years, her son was also dead, and her father-in-law was also dead. She became alone, and it was challenge before her to maintain the kingdom. She has taken so many challenges and start maintaining and taking the care of the whole kingdom. Okay, once a Raghova Dada was very famous and he won many battles. And when he heard that means there is no one in the kingdom of Indore now who can read the service or administer the service of the Holkar, he sent out the message to Ahilya Bai that he want to marry her again, but she refused it, and he then challenged that means then she will have to fight a battle. She accepted it and sent the message to Raghova Dada that if you cross the river Chipra, you will have to fight with me. Finding the message of Ahilya Bai, Raghova Dada afraid, and he was under full of fearness, and then it was impossible for him to fight against her in the battlefield. What was the reason? That if I lost the war or the battle, my name and fame will be lost, and I will be under the kingdom of Ahilya Bai. So he left the idea and he decided not to fight with the Ahilya Bai. Ahilya Bai made many services. Okay, Ahilya Bai made many social and administrative services. She made roads, tanks, and she also was keenly and closely to the treasury. Treasury means where the wealth are kept for the kingdom. And whenever she was very strict also, whenever she find someone making guilty or creating confusions among the people, she immediately called them and strictly warned them not to repeat it in the same way. In this way, she became the great queen of Holkar Indore, or in the family of Holkar, and she maintained the whole kingdom very nicely, and all the queen and kingdom was very happy by the work and the service of the kingdom, and she became famous, and she is known as the great Indian Queen Ahilya Bai. So she also made ghat, tanks, roads, huge buildings, so many works, not only in Indore or around it, but a road from Pune to Kolkata, road from Indore to Pune, Gaya. She renovated many temples and monuments, many historical buildings, and India has made many female rulers, warrior women, and poet queens. But Ahilyabai Holkar commands no affection and respect for her accomplishment and significant during her 30 years long reign. Means she reigned the whole kingdom about 30 years and she became the able ruler and great queen. Therefore, she is remembered with love and respect in all parts of the country. So, dear students, in this chapter, you will see that she overcome from each and every conspiracy of the Holkar kingdom. She maintained and she became the able queen of the Holkar. She did so many hospitalities and so many social work for the people. All the clone of her kingdom were very happy in her reign or in her administration, and she became famous queen of the Holkar, and her name is very famous in Great Indian Queen. So what did we learn here? We learned here the life of Ahilyabai, how challenging it was and how she maintained it and how she became enable a queen and how she is known as the great Indian queen of the country. So it is very important for you to make some notes very simply, go through the chapter and comment me and ask me whatever you need in that particular chapter. Thanks for the day. Have a nice day. Thank you.